Add the following fractions. Simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole or mixed number. 5 whole 8 over 11 plus 10 whole 1 over 10. Alright, so we're adding these fractions, but now the situation is different. We are not dealing with numbers with same or fractions with same denominators anymore. We have different denominators. So let's see how it's done. 5 whole 8 over 11 plus 10 whole 1 over 10. So again, we're going to add the whole numbers first just to make things easier. So 5 plus 10 is 15. This is simple. The next step is to add these fractions that we have here. So I'm writing that down separately. 8 over 11 plus 1 over 10. And in order to be able to add these fractions, we have to make sure that they share a common denominator. So the best way to do that is multiply this fraction by 10, which is the denominator for this fraction, and multiply this fraction right here, 1 over 10, with 11, which is the denominator here for the first fraction. Now doing that is going to change this denominator into 110, and similarly here, which means we now have a common denominator. And if I multiply 8 by 10, what I'm left with is 80 added to 1 multiplied by 11, which is 11. And the answer to that is 80 plus 11, which is 91 over 110. So this is the fraction that we have here, and this is a proper fraction, which means the numerator is smaller than the denominator. We have 91 here in the numerator and 110 in the denominator, which means this is a proper fraction and this can be used. So we're now going to add this fraction next to the whole number that we had found out, and this is our answer. So 15 whole 91 over 110 is the final answer.